next level slayer.
This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and this is my channel where I bring you strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. If you're ready to go to the next level, this is an episode you don't want to miss. Stay tuned. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Next Level Slayer. I am your host, Crystal Lauren, and in today's episode, I am going to be showing you guys how I am designing a bracelet using this new tool I have here, this one-step looper tool. So what I have done already is I've created these little pieces here, okay, with hoops on the end. This one is only a 2-1 because I ran out of cord, the main wire there, and I looped them on the end. And what I'm going to be doing with this is designing a bracelet, and I'm going to be connecting these pieces together. Now let me show you how did I do this. Okay, let me show you. I'm going to give you guys some examples of how to do it, the different bead here. Let's see. Let's do it with. So all I did was I used, let me get my wire. Okay, so let's just say I use this copper wire here. I'm going to use this as an example. So all I did was take some of the wire and so let me straighten this out here. This is called Nylon pliers, and you use this to straighten out your wire. I'm going to have a link to these tools, both of these, this one-step looper and the nylon pliers. I'm going to have that in the description of this video. But all I did was, let's just use this for an example. I threaded, let's see, let me find a hole here. I threaded the bead. This one is a little tight, so let me hold that and pull it through. Okay, so I threaded the bead, and then I used this tool here by sticking the wire. I'm going to do it on the right side so you guys can see. I threaded it here. Okay, I'm sticking it. It's going through this hole here. There's a hole that goes through here, and you hold your bead close to that edge, and then as you see, the loop is being made, and then this part is being cut off, and then there's your loop. Okay, So I did that on that end, and then what I did was I cut a certain length of this, and let's see something. Let's see what I'm going to use next. I think this fits. We're going to see. I'm going to cut off some of this. Let me get my cutters. Wire cutters. I'm going to cut. Let's just say I'm going to just do this amount because I'm not going to make this too long of a piece, because I'm just showing you guys an example. And then I'm going to put this bead on here. So all I did was do that in and then just thread with more beads. Now, you could use beads with the large holes, but they can't be on the end because it's when you do the loop, this looper is going to create smaller loops. Okay, so because it tells you the millimeters on the looper, 3.0 millimeters, so that's the size loop you're looking at. So this here, and then I'm gonna put on another tiger eye. And then actually, really, I can't do that. This piece has to go. It's too big. I didn't make my cord long enough for that. I'm gonna put another tiger eye on the end of this. And then, I don't know if this seed bead is going to be too small. Oh, nope. Okay, so I could add another bead on here, which actually I'm going to add this. Maybe I should add, take off this little piece here. Just add this on. Okay, and then I am going to loop it. Actually, no. I'm gonna put another one of these on the other end. All right, now hopefully I can get it through, because you want this end to be long enough to go through the hole. And backwards, you want it to be long enough to reach, to go through the hole back here. So this does not. So you always want to make sure that you're putting enough. So I'm going to take some of this off and just keep it simple, because all I'm trying to do is just show you guys what I'm doing. I'll put that on the end of that, then that should be cool. That should reach. So put that through the hole there, reaches through the hole, and then loop again. All right, come on, there we go. What's not happening is, oh, it cut. Didn't look like it cut at first, but okay, so then this comes off. So sometimes it gives you troubles. There we go. Alright, so that's how I made these little sections here. So this here is something, when you make pieces like this, it's a lot of things that you can do with it, you know. You can make them out of earrings, you can make them as dangles to a necklace. There's many things you can do with it, or you can just connect them together, make different ones and connect them together, which is what I am about to do now. Okay, but I wanted to show you guys how that worked. Okay, how I did these pieces here. So now what I want to do is just create me a bracelet design using these pieces here, and all I need to do is just open up the hoop on one of the ends. Now I thought about using another piece of a stronger wire, so then I want to close it off. Close this off. Oh, sorry guys, I'm just trying to make sure. Actually, let me see. Get my other round nose and see if I can squish that up like so. And then that's connected together. Uh-oh. I have to connect it a little bit stronger than that. 1 second here. Let's open it back up so I can connect all the way. And then I want to close it. The straight nose. Actually, let me loop it. Put it again. And then close it in. And close it in a little bit more with these. You guys can see that. Just loop together. And then what I'm going to do is just keep on going to finish this off.